What is up, YouTube? I am very excited to tell you guys an update on my BitConnect loans that I've been doing. And obviously, you're following me on my road to $1 million daily average payout on BitConnect. So, without further ado, as you know, BitConnect X is launching live. It used to be a countdown to the actual launch date, which should be within an hour now. So, look in the link in the description for my second channel, MGG Live or Money Glitch God Live, and I am going to be live streaming, checking out BitConnect, maybe transfer some Bitcoin over there, and see how to make a little bit of money on BitConnect X. No one knows what it's going to be. Going to be very excited. So let's go over here to BitConnect. I love this place. So as you see, guys, in my BitConnect wallet, we have a few things. Soon as possible. So let's start off with the dashboard. And I should have my phone here. So what you guys need is like 2 or 3 factor authentication. We're using a really awesome authentication tool. It's called Google Authenticator. It updates your password every little bit, every minute, I think. So here we are. So as you see, I got $5.72 in my lending wallet. This platform gives you 1% average daily interest on your Bitcoin's down to 13.5. Not bad. I'm sure it'll be shooting back up to like 17 soon. So if I were you, I'd buy right now. Go to Coinbase. But the 3 different ways that I identify that you could make some money with BitConnect, not BitConnect, with Bitcoin. All right. Excuse me. So let's get right to it. This is the update for day 3 or 4 of my BitConnect experience, but also I just put in yesterday a new loan for $1,500 on top of the 140. And then I got a little bit of commissions from people signing up. So sign up with the link in the description if you want to be part of my family. And then you get people to sign up. You can get commissions. But by no way is this one of those knife selling, vacuum selling schemes where you have to keep getting people to sign up or else you don't get paid. No one has to sign up for you to get paid. And I'll show you guys why with my BitConnect reinvestment calculator. That's just an incentive to keep track financially and see who. And plus, if you guys join my team, I'll go through your investment and show everyone when you will become a millionaire and give you live advice on your name of just different things that you should do. So let's go over to my lending wallet. So right now in the lending wallet, you'll see that I loaned them $140 on the 4th of January. And then instantly, I started receiving payout. Say averages to 1% over time. It looks really good right now. We've been getting some good payouts lately. So let's just see what I did. First day, exactly 24 hours from when you put the money in, you get paid back. So if you don't know what BitConnect is, everyone, it's a lending platform where instead of having to consult a financial professional, which I am not, I'm just a person who's interested in doing investment things and learning what kind of passive income can make you rich. So I'm into that myself personally. Not a professional, don't have a degree, so don't confuse me with the guy that's trying to tell you that, you know, he takes a percentage of your portfolio. What I'm doing is trying to secure my financial future in 2 to 3 years, no matter what. And I've actually concocted a formula, which you will see right here, that exactly does that for me. Don't forget to watch me live trying out the site. Connect and it launches. It's going to be huge, coming out soon. So you give them money And so what makes this currency to lend it to them, you're lending them USD and they give you your money back. So basically, let's go to the dashboard and let's start off with how it is, and then I'll show you my investments and you'll understand I'm at day 4 or 5, and we'll show you what that actually means. We're in between day 1.5 and day 2 of the bigger loan, but day 4 or 5 of the $140 loan. You got to test the waters of everything. Here, Lind BitConnect. Secondly was the so is banking against Bitcoin. Paid their money and they can afford to pay you back on your loans the way that they promise. They say this averages 1% daily for payback on the loans that you give them. So I give my money to this financial institution and they hold it for a certain amount of time. They reinvest it, they make the money grow, and then they pay me 1% accrued every single day. I get a payout in my currency for holding my money. Of whatever money they're borrowing from me, they pay me 1% every day for this amount of time. And then after that's over, they release your capital back. So you can look up capital release videos or just believe me, but you can look up capital release videos after you sign up. So just click my link in the description, sign up for free for BitConnect, and then do your research before you invest. I mean, this is obviously my experience directly up close with you. So I hope you join my team and I can help you out and you can help me. But basically, there's plenty of people who show you putting 10 grand in, and then after that long while of 120 days, they get 30 grand back and it just pops in their USD wallet. And then they transfer it to their other wallet and they show you live. So I'm going to be doing that on this channel 100% at the end of all my loans, but I'm not stopping until it's $1 million. I'm going to do this for 500 days and this is going to be epic. Now let me hurry up and get through this so I can just show you guys everything that's going on. This is going to secure your financial future. If you have $1,000, $5,000, $10,000 to invest, or even as low as like $400 to $500, I can show you. It'll take you a little longer, but you can still get right in the wave. And the wave is created by you. It doesn't involve signing up anyone else. That just is icing on the cake. So here we go. The volatility software tells you, this page basically tells you BitConnect is paying currently. Sometimes you have a 0 day, sometimes you have a day that's 2%. So it averages to 1%. So this is how you can check how much you're going to make back if you don't reinvest. There's 2 ways to make money on BitConnect. You either just give them your money and just let them hold it and pay you out the percentage, and that's the end of it, or you keep reinvesting it back into it, which grows how much they have, which gives you a bigger daily output. And that's what I'm going to test and attempt to do on the way to getting millions of dollars. So if you want to be a millionaire too, this is just one of the revenue streams I have that I'm going to be showing you guys. This is kind of like the rich people stuff or the nerd stuff. I'm a computer programmer, self-admittingly. So this is like the stuff that not a lot of people actually get to, experience. So here we go. First loan I gave them was $140. And they're going to take that loan for 299 days and give me 1% accrued every day until it's over. So they're estimating that they're going to give me $537. I don't have to reinvest or anything. I'm going to get paid every single day on that $140 loan. As you see here, I have a total active investment of $1670. And my total earned so far, since I'm at like day 5 or day 6, $42. That's all paid back and transferred out. And I'm going to show you me using that 40 something dollars. I'm going to show you me using that on the new BitConnect X site when it launches today. This is big time in history, but let me go down to the transactions now so you can understand this look when you get paid. And they fluctuate the percentage every day. And obviously, this is the payment plan that BitConnect offers straight up. You give them some money, they pay you some interest on it at the end of the term. $2.99 is the longest term. I think that's like September this year, September 5th. They're going to release it. So here we go. So we have a BitConnect is their coin. So I've had to deal with their coin a little bit. And this is a great time. BitConnect coin. It was up to 450. It's only going to go up more than that, and I think this is the time to buy some BitConnect coin and hold it there. So let's look. I gave them $140. They paid me 0.81%, and that gave me $1.13. That was in my wallet already. Okay, and they tell you which loan they're paying you on. Even when you reinvest a loan, like this 30 is a reinvestment that I made from profits, and I still get paid on that. So the goal of this is to keep compounding the reinvestment. So one day it'll pop up with maybe 200 loan payments for me, and that'll add up to thousands. And I did a code. I built the code and the calculator on my total investment, and as you see, the formulas that I built will tell you where you're at if you reinvest, if you stop reinvesting. And this spreadsheet is available in the description. Click on it, edit it. Please be respectful. Only edit this key right here so you can change to see what you're going to do. And we're going to do the real average, so a little less than 1%. 0095, just for all intents and purposes.